Alright folks, it's Sunday, May 24th, about 5:30. It's still a couple hours till dark, but man, that cloud cover moved in. It's black down here. This camera does a good job of gathering light, but I knew we've had rain. We've had some killer rain, but I knew it was too wet to sift. But I said it's be a good day to move these rocks. And from right there about that little pine tree, all the way down this bank, right in there, I have thrown 2 ton of rock over the edge there. So I got me a lot more digging to do now. So still got a little bit of bank before I have to really start going deep. But of course I come down here and check to see what had washed out. And man, this place gives up the gravers. This one's beautiful though. It's just good color. I was tickled with that. This thing here, I don't know, some kind of broke point or something, and little serrations on a little knife or something. But anyway, I found 3 pieces just been washed out with the rains, and I want to get all those gravers together, put them in one frame. I need to do a video when I do that. So, all right, if anybody's watching, I appreciate it. I doubt I'll get back in here tomorrow. It's Memorial Day, but I'm still got traps to run. But it's wet too. So anyway, if anybody's watching, I appreciate it. And y'all have a good Memorial Day. Probably won't post this before then, but y'all have a good one. Thank you. All right, folks. Saturday, June the 9th. No, June the 6th. I'm sorry, June the 6th. I come down here shelter a couple days ago. I was doing some work up here with my nephew, and I just come down here real quick and done a walkthrough after the rain. I found one point and a piece of pottery, but still a little wet to sift. I was going to give it a couple more days, so I dug out, moved a lot of rock here and dug out a little bit, got me some loose dirt, and finally got free today. It's about 2:30. I've been down here about 10-15 minutes and filling up my buckets, and I just scratched this out. All right. Well, it's got some pretty flaking on it. I'll clean it up, get back to it. Maybe I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. It's June the 6th. Found that one right off the bat. I done washed it off. I wanted to see what it was. It's some kind of big work piece. Just broke. And anyway. And I don't know, last few buckets I found probably half a dozen pieces of pottery and a couple brokes. But I was just looking at this one while I was cleaning that one up. And definitely a little point. I had to clean it up. But that's when I turned the camera on. All right. That's 2 whole points. And 2 or 3 brokes and some pottery. Let's see. Come on. There it is. Alright, she's whittled down, but I'll keep looking. Let's see. I'm going to give it another hour and a half maybe. Alright. Okay, I'm back. I've been just taking my pick here and just pulling dirt down, shoveling it up, putting it in the bucket. Been seeing some flint, going through it. And anyway, I just saw another piece of flint. And here she is. She's a little rough, but it's a little drill. I'll clean her up. Perforator. I'll take it. She kind of not a lot of quality, but anyway, it's an artifact. Maybe look better cleaned up. I'm gonna sift this dirt out here. I got it pulled down. Let's see what else we can find. All right, maybe I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I thought it was a, where's it at? I thought it was a flake sticking down into the 1/2 inch mesh there. I mean, she is just about, let's see. Yeah, won't go through, so just lucky to see that little joker. That's only the second one I've ever found here. Glad to find it. All right, keep going. Maybe I'll be back. All right, folks. I'm down here at the shelter. I'm gonna finish up on June the 6th, Saturday, June the 6th. I'm just giving y'all a view. You know, when I first started this thing, about where that moisture line is, that dark line, that was just about all you had into the shelter. So I've dug out, I don't know, several yards. But I spent the whole time right there. Little big roots coming out. Been here about 2 hours. I'm gonna finish up. Let's see, what's that? 11 pieces of pottery. Looks like I may have a little bit of a pattern there. It's unusual here. Y'all have heard me say that 1,000 times, but about 5 brokes, just old midsections or butt pieces or whatever. Another one of those old soft material limestone wedge. I call them wedges, but they all seem to be kind of in a triangular shape. I bring them all out. I'm going to have a jar full of them one day. Don't know what they are or what they were used for, but they were brought into this hole up here. And as far as lithics go, pretty good day for 2 hours work. I don't know about this. Might be a little, it's worked all the way down. You can see working on it, maybe a little micro perforator off a flake. I'm not trying to make it something it's not, but definitely was worked on. This one here is worked all the way around. I don't know what it was, what it is, or I don't know. That may be broke out there. I'm not sure, but it's worked all the way around. This was, I videoed this one. It's a little rough. I mean, they got the good out of it. But anyway, I really like the old rough drill. Pretty material. But I guess these two right here, the little birdie and this little baby here, first thing I found. That's a nice little flake, not flaking on it. All right, that's it for today. If any of y'all's watching, I appreciate it. I may go ahead. I think I got another one from the other day. I don't know, sure, but I'm gonna post this one anyway. So if anybody's watching, I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. Thank you.